So the question that I get from a lot of moms is, how do you grow your daughter's hair this long? And honestly, sis, the secret to how I grow my daughter's hair is keeping her hair moisturized. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you my updated moisturizing routine that lasts us for 1 week. This method, I just started trying it and it is working amazing, and I thought I should share it with you all. So what we'll be needing is water. We'll need a flaxseed gel. You could use aloe vera gel or okra gel, but in this video I am using a flaxseed gel. You will need a leave-in conditioner, your pomade, and oil. So I'm going to show you how I layer these products to help keep our hair moisturized for at least up to a week. To be frank, as a busy mom, it's not easy for you to remember to take care of your children's hair or sometimes your own hair, but using a moisturizing technique that lasts for at least a good number of days is actually the ideal. So you don't have to be thinking, oh, I have to re-moisturize every 2 days or every other day. Okay, and that is what this video is for. So the first thing that I do is to apply water on her hair, and I'm using plain water in this video. However, you can actually use aloe vera gel, can actually use aloe vera water. There is a plain aloe vera water that's store-bought. You can use that, or you can infuse your water with herb. I always like to infuse my water with herb to get the added benefit. So I'm just showing you with plain water so that you know that you can still use plain water. Okay, yeah. So I applied the water on their hair all over, from the scalp all the way to the ends of the hair, and then I massage the water in first. Okay, massage it in, make sure that our hair is absorbing the water. Then the next one that you're going to add is the leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner that I'm using in this video is my DIY leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I've noticed that using my own product on their hair is something, at least I don't have to worry about how it's going to make their hair feel or all of that, because I know exactly the ingredients that I put in my leave-in conditioner, right? So yeah, I'm going to also, like I did with the water, I'm going to massage the leave-in conditioner on their hair, making sure that that is soaking, you know, that their hair absorb the leave-in conditioner. So I know that our hair appears white from the leave-in conditioner, but don't worry, it is going to dissolve even before you close your eyes and open it. Literally, but it is going to dissolve. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to also squeeze the leave-in conditioner in. Use as much as you can. Okay, use a good quantity of leave-in conditioner, please. So I'm going to now apply the gel. All right, so the third layer of the product is the gel, and like I said, I'm using a flaxseed gel. Okay, so I've shown a video of how I made this flaxseed gel. So if you remember, the flaxseed gel, I use it to detangle my hair, and I kept the remaining one in the freezer, and I've been using it ever since. Okay, so that is what I'm also using in this video, the one that I already made. However, if you don't have flaxseed gel, if you have okra gel, I believe you can also use okra gel. So as usual, I'm also going to apply it all over her hair, making sure that her hair absorb the product. So the thing that you want to do is to work it in. Okay, don't just apply it and leave it on the surface. Apply it and gently rub it in. Gently rub it in. Okay, that way you are sure that the hair has actually, you know, absorbed it. If you just rub it and leave it, it will still penetrate after a while, but I love to massage it in. Okay, yeah. And don't forget your ends, very important. And when I am done with that part, I will then go in with my oil. I'll go in with my oil first before the pomade. Okay, so I'll go in with my oil, and then I'll apply this oil on her hair roots, that is her scalp. Okay, can you see how shiny her scalp is looking? And this hair is already past 1 week. So applying the oil on her scalp help to, you know, keep her scalp hydrated, sort of. And that is why at the beginning, if you remember, I applied water both on her scalp and her entire hair. So I love to make sure that her scalp is damp before going in with water. Imagine applying cream on your dry body. So you finish bathing and you came out of the shower, maybe you were doing one or two things, and your body is completely dry, and now you want to apply cream. You see that it feels somehow, but when your body is still damp, right, and you apply the cream, you are sure that your body, what they call it, your skin is open somehow to accept the moisture, and it's going to last longer. It is the same thing. Our scalp and our face and our body, our skin literally is the same. The way you take care of your skin should also take care of your scalp. In fact, the scalp is even more tender than the skin. There's the scalp skin the scalp body, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, is more sensitive than even your skin, the skin on the part of your face. If you feel me, let me know that you feel me in the comment section. All right, so now I'm going to apply the pomade. Sorry, this is not a pomade, this is a hair butter. I've also shown a video on how I made this hair butter. Everything that I use in this video is made by me, moms, so you don't have to worry about, oh, I don't have money, how can I grow my daughter's hair? You can actually grow your daughter's hair at the comfort of your own home with your natural ingredients in your kitchen, guys. Yeah, that's easy. Okay, so I'll apply the pomade. That is the last layer, that is the last product that I'm going to apply. And once I apply it, I also make sure to massage it in. Can you see the white thing that we saw earlier? You see that it is completely gone. Even if you did not apply another thing on top of it, if you still leave it a while, it will disappear, which means your hair has already completely soaked it in. Okay, and another thing that I will point out is when you apply the oil on the scalp, please give it a gentle massage. Okay, that part too is necessary. And like that, we are done with moisturizing Amara's hair. I'm going to cover her hair and we are going to move on to Amanda's hair. This is our weekend thing that we do. So just imagine that you're a busy mom and you don't have time, and then on Sunday you just maybe take 10 or 15 minutes and do this thing. Like, it doesn't take time. 10 or 15 minutes or 20 minutes highest, you are completely done and you are moving on to whatever it is that you were doing. That's simple. Okay, so yeah, with Amanda's hair, it is still the same thing that I did with Amara hair, the same process, the same step by step. Okay, and yeah, so they were watching cartoon, they were watching their program on this day, and I didn't want to disturb them. I didn't want to stop them from watching it, because it's only on Sundays that they are allowed to really watch cartoon that much. So on Sundays I try to allow them to enjoy it very well. Okay, other days they are doing their home fun. When they are done, if there is light, of course they will watch. If there is no light, they will go and play. There's no light, they will go and play. So on Sundays, I allow them to watch their programs as well. Their children, they need these things. Okay, not too much of it, but in moderation. I don't want them to feel like, okay, we are doing something serious. Okay, I don't want them to feel like, we are doing something gym kind of, you understand? It's just because it doesn't really take time. It doesn't take time. Something before you know, you are completely done. Okay guys, so like I said, it's still the same process, and once you are done, you're also going to cover their hair. Now, one of the secrets to a long lasting moisture on your children's hair is allowing them to sleep with a bonnet. If they're not sleeping with bonnet or satin cap, all this moisture that you apply on the hair is going to rub on the pillow. It's going to rub on their pillow, and their hair will still dry off as quickly as possible. So if they are not used to wearing cap to bed, then maybe you can invest in satin pillowcase or satin bedspread. That way they still, their moisture is still retained, and it's not going to strip their hair completely. All right guys, so we are done with this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, what is your moisturizing routine? How do you take care of your kids' hair? Let us know in the comment section. Let's help each other grow. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to my channel for more videos such as this, or you can also drop in the comments which video you want me to film next, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. Now, did you see how coily the ends of Amanda's hair is looking? Amara hair is different texture from Amanda's hair, honestly. All right guys, until I come your way next time, please take care of yourself and bye. My name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.